Are you tired of staring at your textbooks, feeling like a sleepy sloth? Well, my friend, it's time to wake up and conquer the world of studying. Buckle up, because I'm about to take you on a wild ride to becoming a study superhero. Once upon a time, in a land filled with bewildered students, there was a hero named Max. Max was armed with determination and a bag full of tricks to study better. With a mischievous grin, Max whispered, "Listen up, fellow knowledge seekers, for I shall reveal the secrets to studying success. First and foremost, banish the evil procrastination monster. It lurks in the shadows, tempting you with distractions like social media and the siren song of Netflix. But fear not. Grab a timer and challenge yourself to study for short bursts, like a speedy cheetah on a mission. Breaks are your allies, helping you recharge and return with a renewed focus. Next, unleash the power of organization. Picture your study materials as a treasure map. Sort them into neat, colorful folders like a master detective organizing clues. Your desk shall be your command center, free of clutter and chaos. Remember, an organized mind is a supercharged mind. But wait, there's more. Engage in battle with the monstrous enemy of monotony. Shake things up like a mad scientist in a lab. Explore different study techniques, from mind maps to flashcards. The more variety, the more your brain will thank you. Inject humor and creativity into your notes, turning dry facts into a hilarious stand-up routine. Now, brace yourself for the final epic quest, the practice exams. These tests will test your mettle and reveal your weaknesses. Embrace them like a fearless warrior. Learn from your mistakes and conquer each challenge. Remember, failure is just a stepping stone to success. As Max concluded his tale, his fellow students cheered, inspired to transform their study habits. Armed with newfound knowledge, they embarked on their own epic quests. And thus, they lived happily ever after, with grades that soared to the sky and a thirst for knowledge that knew no bounds. So, my friend, are you ready to embark on your own study adventure? Put on your superhero cape and conquer the realm of education. Remember, with determination, organization, creativity, and practice, you shall emerge victorious. Now, go forth and study like the champion you were born to be. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.